Hi friends, let me show you this beautiful lamp that I received for reviewing purposes, okay? It has the installation instructions, of course, the installation manual, okay? This is the, the lamp base that goes to the ceiling, okay? You have all the installation hardware, everything you need to hang the lamp. And I want to tell you that it's really, really pretty. It has these like musical notes decoration that makes it really nice for any part of your home. Maybe your living room, your bar, your kitchen, an outdoor kitchen. You see how pretty it is? It's kind of it gives a music ambience to your room, okay? This is the chain. This is a pendant lamp, so it will be hanging from the ceiling with this chain to the height that you need or that you want. And this is the lights, the actual light bulbs accessory, okay? So you get all the installation hardware, really, really easy. You just have to put this in the ceiling and hang everything. Okay, so we are going to install it to see how it looks here at home. You can see how beautiful the lamp is. We put it here in our kitchen and we really like it. Gives a night lighting and it has these beautiful musical notes as decoration. Perfect.